stays in my tent. See right there, Mom?
Oh, good idea. Let's look in there.
It's blue in there.
Are you playing in your tent bed? Say hi, Grandma Sue.
Hi, Grandma Sue.
Very good, William. Say it again, William.
Hi, Grandma Sue.
Very good. Can you say hi, Papa Jack? Very good. Can you say hi, Papa Frank? You have to say it louder.
Hi, Papa Frank. Like that.
Say hi, Papa Frank.
Hush. Mom.
He's not at the house right now. Say hi, Papa. Hi, Grammy Sue. She's not here. She's not here right now, huh?
I'm going to come back.